how to change your age on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can quickly change your age on TikTok. So simply open up TikTok. After that, simply click on the bottom right where you see the profile icon, and then after that from over here simply click on the top right where you see these three lines, and then after that click on settings and privacy. Now from over here click on privacy once again. So now from over here simply scroll down and click on report a problem. And then after that, what you guys need to do is you guys just need to simply click on editing my profile issue over here. So you guys will see it over here. If you guys don't see it, simply click on account and profile, and then after that choose editing my profile. So over here simply click on editing profile, and then after that simply click on other, and then from over here what I want you guys to do is that I want you guys to just simply click on need more help, and then from over here simply click on the text box that pops up and type in, hi, I want to update my birthday on my TikTok account because it's incorrect. So when you type this in, after that simply click on report, and then a report is going to be sent over to TikTok, and they will help you sort it out by simply reaching out to you via email or on TikTok DMs, and they will give you a link which you can follow to simply update your TikTok profile's age. So guys, that is how easy it is to simply update your age on TikTok. Only takes a few minutes, but it gets the job done. Thank you so much for watching guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.